Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. We're talking about that perfect intersection where uncompromising accuracy shakes hands with battlefield-proven dependability. That, my fellow shooters, is the hallowed ground of the bolt-action rifle. For well over 100 years, whether you're meticulously building a hand load to punch cloverleafs at the 100-yard bench or patiently waiting for that once-in-a-lifetime bull elk to step into the clearing, this legendary platform has been the gold standard. While their roots are planted firmly in military conflict, these rifles have evolved into the undisputed kings of the big game hunt and the intense world of long-range competition. So, when you demand hair-splitting, next-level precision, which rigs truly separate themselves from the crowd? We've gone through the ringer to bring you our definitive list of the absolute best bolt-action rifles you can put your hand on today. Savage Precision Series. Let's be clear, Savage didn't just step up to the plate with their new Precision Series. They built a whole new stadium, forged in a close partnership with the wizards at MDT, the masterminds behind some of the most dominant competition chassis systems out there. This lineup is a full-blown precision ecosystem. It's built for the serious marksman who demands perfection the second the box is opened. Leading the charge is the Savage 110 Elite Precision. This rifle is a beast decked out in MDT's top-of-the-line adjustable core competition chassis. We're talking about a rig that gives production-class shooters a direct line to elite-tier performance. With a fully adjustable length of pull and cheek riser, plus an integrated ARCA rail system. This platform is engineered from the ground up for the demands of the Precision Rifle Series and the National Rifle League. And for the shooters who want to train hard without breaking the bank on ammo, the lineup includes the rimfire phenoms, the A22 Precision and the B22 Precision. These rifles house refined, semi-auto, and bolt actions inside MDT's precision-milled chassis, giving you the ergonomics and out-of-the-box accuracy of a custom build. Whether you're sending 6.5 Creedmoor rounds downrange or stacking 22-long rifle bullets at 50 yards, this family is modular, dead-on accurate, and ready to compete the moment you are. Weatherby Vanguard. If you're looking for the undisputed king of performance per dollar, look no further than the Weatherby Vanguard. This rifle has earned a legendary reputation across the shooting world for a simple reason. It delivers premium accuracy at a price that feels like a misprint. Every single Vanguard that leaves the factory is backed by a sub-minute of angle guarantee. That's a promise from Weatherby that it will shoot a group under 1 inch at 100 yards with their factory ammo or other quality loads. At the heart of the system is a match-grade, 2-stage trigger that's adjustable down to a crisp 2.5 pounds, giving you a clean break that feels like snapping a glass rod. Its cold hammer-forged barrel provides tack-driving precision that you'd normally have to pay twice as much to get. The bolt body features 3 gas relief ports, a critical safety detail, and is fluted to reduce weight and ensure a slick, bind-free action. The 3-position safety is another standout, allowing you to cycle the bolt and unload the rifle while it remains completely safe. Topped with Weatherby's classic Monte Carlo stock for a rock-solid cheek weld, the Vanguard is the workhorse rifle you can bet an entire season on. It punches way above its price tag. Ruger Precision Rifle and Amp, American Predator. If you've had an ear to the ground in the long-range world, you know the buzz around Ruger's offerings in the red-hot 6mm Creedmoor cartridge. This is a tale of 2 rifles, offering different paths to the same goal, serious downrange performance. First up is the Ruger Precision Rifle. This isn't a hunting rifle adapted for distance. It's a purpose-built long-range machine from the ground up. It comes loaded with a 24-inch cold hammer forged barrel with 5R rifling, a factory-installed muzzle brake to tame what little recoil there is, and an AR-15-style folding stock that you can adjust for a perfect, custom fit. On the other side of the coin is the Ruger American Predator, the minimalist dream. It's a lean, mean, no-nonsense rifle that sports a slightly heavier, factory-threaded barrel ready for your favorite suppressor or muzzle device. It's lightweight, dead-nuts reliable, and scary accurate, making it a perfect rig for varmint control or a high-performance range day plinker. And why the 6mm Creedmoor? Think of it as the evolution of the classic .243 Winchester. It serves up flatter trajectories, noticeably less recoil than its big brother, the 6.5 Creedmoor, and better barrel life. The recoil is so mild you can stay right in the scope and spot your own hits, a massive advantage in the field or in competition. Franchi Momentum. Franchi didn't just build a rifle with a momentum, they sculpted one. This platform is a masterclass in ergonomics, designed from the outset to feel like a natural extension of a shooter. Every contour and checkered surface was meticulously planned around 5 of the most common shooting positions, ensuring you have absolute control whether you're prone in the dirt or set up in a blind. The performance backs up the feel. The spiral fluted bolt with its 60-degree throw is silky smooth and lightning fast, giving you plenty of clearance from your scope for rapid follow-up shots. Its accuracy comes from a free-floating barrel married to a crisp, single-stage trigger that you can adjust from 2 to 4 pounds. But Franchi knew that shooting comfort is key, so they added a twin shock absorber recoil pad that soaks up energy, keeping you on target and making long-range sessions easy on the shoulder. The Momentum is a shooter's rifle, through and through. Browning X-Bolt Pro. The Browning X-Bolt Pro isn't just knocking on the door of high performance, it's kicking it down. This rifle delivers a custom tier experience without that eye-watering custom price tag. It's built for the shooter who demands the best right out of the box. Its second-generation carbon fiber stock is the star of the show, shaving off precious ounces for those grueling backcountry hunts while providing a foundation as stable as granite. The stainless steel heart of the rifle is protected by a tough Cerakote finish, meaning this rig is built to laugh in the face of whatever nasty weather Mother Nature throws at you. Whether you're lining up on elk across a 500-yard canyon or meticulously printing tight groups from an awkward mountain saddle, the X-Bolt Pro has the looks, the feel, and the tack-driving performance you'd expect from a rifle costing thousands more. CZ 557 Sporter. For the purist, the shooter who gets a little weak in the knees for deep, rich bluing and hand-oiled walnut, the CZ 557 Sporter is poetry in steel and wood. This rifle is a throwback to old-world craftsmanship. The action is machined from a solid billet of steel and features integrated 19mm dovetail rails, making scope mounting rock solid without needing any extra parts. Its controlled round feed action, driven by a short extractor, is buttery smooth, delivering flawless cycling and ejection shot after shot. The two-position safety allows you to work the bolt while the rifle is still safe, a critical element for staying quiet when it counts. But the real gem here is the fully adjustable trigger, which lets you fine-tune the pull weight, take up, and over travel to absolute perfection. Paired with CZ's legendary cold hammer forged barrel, this rifle is more than just a beautiful classic. It's a precision instrument. This isn't a rifle you just own. It's one you become a custodian of for the next generation.